Welcome to the Beginner's Guide. Today we shall discuss about India General Knowledge Question and Answer. What is the capital of India? Answer: New Delhi. When does India got independence? Answer: 15th August 1947. When did India got republic? Answer: 26th January 1950. What is the official language of India? Answer: Hindi and English. How many states are there in India? Answer: 28 states. Where is the Supreme Court of India located? Answer: New Delhi. What is the area rank of India in the world? Answer: 7th rank. What is the population rank of India in the world? Answer: 2nd rank. Who is the father of our nation? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. What is the national currency of India? Answer: Indian rupee. What is the national motto of India? Answer: Satyameva Jayate. What type of government India practiced? Answer: Federal Parliamentary Republic. How many houses are there in Indian Parliament? Answer: 2 houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Which is the time zone observed in India? That is IST, Indian Standard Time. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first President of India? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. When was Bangladesh separated from India? In the year 1971. Which is the largest city in India? Answer: Mumbai. Which is the largest state of India in terms of area? Answer: Rajasthan. Which is the smallest state of India in terms of area? Answer: Goa. Which is the smallest state of India in terms of population? Answer: Sikkim. Which is the largest state of India in terms of population? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Answer: Kempty Falls. Which is the highest mountain peak in India? Answer: Kanchenjunga. Which city is known as the cultural capital of India? Answer: Kolkata. How many Lok Sabha seats are there in India? Answer: 543 seats. How many Rajya Sabha seats are there in India? Answer: 245 seats. Which is the largest national park in India? Answer: Emis National Park. Which is the biggest wildlife sanctuary in India? Answer: Ranthambore National Park. Which is the largest tiger reserve in India? Answer: Nagarjun Sagar Srisailam Tiger Reserve. How many union territories are there in India? Answer: 8 union territories. Which is the longest river in India? Answer: Ganga. Which state is called as the rice bowl of India? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Which is the largest dam in India? Answer: Hirakud Dam. Which city is called as City of Joy? Answer: Kolkata. Which city is called as Gateway of India? Answer: Mumbai. Who is the architect of the Indian Constitution? Answer: B.R. Ambedkar. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Answer: Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Who designed the present Indian national flag? Answer: Pingalli Venkaiah. What is the national animal of India? Answer: Tiger. What is the national bird of India? Answer: Peacock. What is the national flower of India? Answer lotus. What is the national tree of India? Answer banyan tree. What is the national anthem of India? Answer Janagana Mana. What is the national fruit of India? Answer mango. Which is the largest lake in India? Answer Ular Lake. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer Indira Gandhi. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? Answer Sucheta Kripalani. Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? Answer G.V. Mavalankar. Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize? Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.